Welcome. You are now part of our restaurant's team, dedicated to providing the very finest in dining and courteous service to every customer who walks through the doors. Hospitality is our keynote. As the host or hostess of the party, you must make the guest feel welcome. You should provide a cheerful greeting and recognize regular customers by name. You should make each and every guest feel special. It is up to you, as the first person they see, to make our guests feel at ease and welcome. Always greet the customer with a smile. The customer's first impression of the restaurant is you. You are the life of the party, so it is important to keep your enthusiasm and energy level up so the guest feels welcome and excited to be at our restaurant. All guests must receive a friendly and most of all a sincere greeting. Here is some more general information. Always greet the guest with a smile and always say goodbye or good night to everyone. If possible, open the door for the guests as they enter and leave. There should always be someone at the hostess stand, and if you must leave for some reason, please get a manager. Consistently check the men's and ladies' room every 30 minutes in season, restock paper towels, toilet paper, and check for cleanliness. Your appearance and attitude is important. If you have an issue, get a manager. You never want to appear disorganized or angry. Never argue with a customer. Politely tell them you will get your manager. Always address the customer first. If you are busy, tell them you will be right with them. When talking on the phone, smile. It will make you feel good. Follow the checklists for setup and breakdown. Diplomacy and tact. Because you are usually the first person the guest sees, they will look to you to solve their problems, such as lost items, questions about the wait, and table requests. No matter how busy you are, each guest must be treated with sensitive concern for their problems and questions. Tact and diplomacy under pressure is a skill that will be essential to your job. Your ability to remain calm in the face of adversity will help you with the stress encountered in your job. Most problems can be solved by simply providing a listening ear. If you feel you cannot solve the problem, get a manager to help. Customer complaints. Anytime a customer has a complaint, always deal with them calmly and get a manager immediately. This also applies to complaints over the phone. Apologize to the guest for any inconvenience. Our goal is to take a negative situation and make it a positive one. Again, these tips are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. If you have any questions, please contact your manager. Good luck!